So we have a 3D printer that has an extruder with a stepper motor attached to the end of the robot. And that robot has a program that goes step by step to print the object. And it's all controlled through our Slick 500 PLC and a PLC 5000. So we use that to print whatever we want to print. Right now we're just printing a cube. Now our program is ready with our temperatures for our bed and our extruder. So at this point what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the robot into automatic. So I'm going to turn it into automatic. I'm going to press OK, and then I'm going to turn the motors on, and then I'm going to press PP to main. So now it's going to ask if I want to put it back to the main, yes. And then now at this point I can press start for my program. And now when I press play for the robot, it's going to start my program. Once the robot gets down to the heated plate, it'll send a bit to the PLC saying I'm ready to start. And then it'll start the motor to start extruding.
Setting up some columns, inspection on the other.
There's a light curtain there.
Yeah.
Good stuff, so that breaks.
No, I don't.
How did you guys come up with the idea?
Actually, we found it very interesting, especially if when we figured out that other student made it before us. So we wanted really so bad to make it.
How long of I don't know how many hours, but how long have you guys been working on this particular project?
Full semester, so 16 weeks and probably about 10 to 15 hours outside of class every single week to get this project done.
Can you tell me some of your frustrations that you had to deal with?
So we took this project from another group, so just using their documentation and like their design and then trying to figure out where they went wrong because they had problems. So we had to kind of try to find a solution for those problems and then make it as simplistic as possible, which was definitely a challenge.
Yes, we're just trying to develop it more, like make it better in a lot of ways. It's kind of challenging. Yeah.
What does it feel like now that it's done?
Huge relief. Yeah. Going up, and where it said bad part before, now it says good part. So the robot's going to go up here, and then it's going to want to come back again, but we don't want it to. So we're going to stop it, and then so this right here is our finished product, our calibration cube. It gives a suction to the heated plate. So this here is our finished product. It's a XYZ calibration cube.
And from start to finish, about how long?
About 12 and a half minutes from start to finish.